little 5-week-old lamb.
Oh, is that her name, Spin?
Spin.
That's what she does best.
That's cute.
She hasn't been able to stand. She had birth injury.
Just push hard. That's it.
Mom and Dad are, well, Dad's a retired veterinary ophthalmologist. And they have. Now you need to buckle the chest strap in front of her chest. She's busy grazing.
Spin, let me get the leash. I just want to get the leash.
Yeah.
I'm not taking any chances.
So she's on a leash because when we tried her out in this, she took off like a shot across the yard.
How cool. This is going to be fun to do this with running shoes. So I want this to be somewhat loose.
Somewhat loose, yeah.
well,
So her back is flat.
See how she's turning?
Yep.
So after 10 minutes in the cart, she's going to get an inch longer, and this will be the right time.
Okay. Okay. And here we have our first little lamb on wheels. Okay.
Spin, you got to get
Take
your
her
legs
for a
under
walk.
you. There we go.
All right.
Look at that, the yolk's in the right place now.
I know. She got longer. Come on.
Spin, they don't need the leash, silly.
Well, I've never been on a
Pretty
leash
typical.
before.
Yeah, this is pretty typical for a lamb. Come on, Spin.
Come on, Spin. Well, if you release me, I'll run, Mom.
Yeah.
You know that you'll do that.
Spin, you're only going to get released in your confined area. Come on, Spin. Let's go. Come on, baby. Hey, Spin, let's go. Let's get this stuff.
There we go.
Come on. I know you can do it.
It's because I'm recording.
Was she a bottle baby? Should have brought that bottle. I know. I should have brought. I almost brought the bottle too. Now that'll just be distracting because we'll see it.
Okay, you go ahead. You film. Okay. And all the. She'll follow you. Okay. Come on, let's go see the mom.
There you go. There you go. Oh, there she is. Okay.
Oh,
now
okay.
Come on. Let's go. Come on, darling. Come on. You gotta get yourself straightened out here, honey.
There you go. Looking good. Looking good. So we've got room here on the side.
Yep.
We've got room in the front. We've got room on the side. We've got about 4 inches of adjustment underneath the axles and this much of adjustment here. So there's plenty of room for her to grow in this part. Okay.
This is great. This is just going to be wonderful to work with her in this.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm thinking that I think I'll be able to make a lot of progress with her knee bending exercises.
Yeah.
Just with her in the car.
Yeah, I think so too.
So that she gets used to putting weight back down on it.